Get me out of here!
Okay, I usually recommend skipping these tourist trap destinations, but this one is actually worth stopping, spending a little time with. The Big Texan Steak Ranch in Amarillo, Texas. And while it is one of those suck the money out of your pocket stops, they just seem to do it better than most other places do.
Not as big as Albert the Bull in Iowa, but he is big.
The big advertising draw for this place is a 72-ounce steak if you can manage to consume it. And if you can, it's free. Now keep in mind, in order to do this, it is a 72-ounce steak with a shrimp cocktail, a salad, a baked potato, a roll. You have to consume it all within an hour. You can't get up from the table. And it's going to cost you $72 in order to try this. If you manage to pull it off like those people did on that leaderboard, then they will refund your meal. This is nothing I will ever attempt, but I have a few buddies, one named Charles, that definitely could give this place a run for its money.
Oh my God, it's real.
Yes, it's real.
Hey partner, can I borrow your cell phone? I need to call the governor! Look, I'm sorry I shoplifted from the Big Texan gift shop. I promise I'll do it all back! Say, are sparks supposed to be coming out of my...
I love these family portraits. I've been meaning to try that. Final analysis, this place has a little bit of everything. You can stop for free, hang out for a little while, check out the gift shop, maybe grab something to eat, some ice cream, a big meal if that's what you want. You know, it's a nice way to kill a little bit of time. They'll take a couple bucks out of your pocket, but like I said, they just do it better than everybody else. From the outside to the inside to decorated bathrooms, it's definitely worth a stop if you're coming across I-40 or 66. Thanks for watching.